This new AMG boasts 1,153 horsepower. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes just around 2 seconds. And most surprising of all, this car doesn't even have a V8 engine at all. This is the 2027 Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door Coupe EV, the latest electric sedan from Mercedes, reportedly poised to destroy the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT and completely change AMG's identity for the future. And let's be honest, the specifications sound like a hypercar disguised as a family sedan. Mercedes-AMG offers two main versions. The GT55 produces around 805 horsepower, while the top-of-the-line GT63 can produce up to 1,153 horsepower, thanks to 3 new axial flux electric motors. Those numbers are already entering hypercar territory. And interestingly, AMG understands one important thing. Their fans care not only about speed, but also about the thrill of driving. Therefore, this car is equipped with a simulated V8 sound system, complete with a virtual gear shift sensation to maintain the emotional feel of a gasoline-powered AMG. So, even though it's fully electric, the aggressive character of AMG is still maintained. The technology is also very futuristic. This car uses the latest AMG.EA platform with an 800-volt system and a 106 kilowatt-hour battery. It even supports charging up to 600 kilowatts, which theoretically can charge from 10 to 80% in just about 11 minutes. It's not just fast on the road, but also fast when charging. For handling, AMG has included rear-wheel steering, active aerodynamics, AMG Active Ride, control suspension, and various performance settings that allow the car to transform from a comfortable sedan to a track monster with just a few buttons. The design itself immediately sparked debate. Some considered the look very futuristic and fitting for the modern EV era. Others felt the front end was too odd for a classic AMG. But one thing is hard to deny. This car looks incredibly aggressive. The interior is filled with large digital screens, giving it the modern cockpit feel typical of the latest Mercedes. Even the next-generation MBUX infotainment system is powered by ChatGPT-based AI for voice control and a smarter digital experience. According to the latest reports, the AMG GT EV will be available around the end of 2026 for the GT55 version, with the GT63 set to follow in 2027. And as for price, many predictions suggest this car could be priced above $150,000. If all of Mercedes' performance claims are true, then the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT and Lucid Air Sapphire now have a very serious new rival. The question now is, does the future of AMG really have to be electric? Or do you still prefer the sound of a real V8 to the brutal performance of a modern EV like this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share,